Okay, I know I said I was going to stop getting Art Journal subscription boxes. Did I say I was going to stop? Or maybe I just said I was thinking about stopping because I can't seem to stop. I love their subscription boxes. They are full of limited edition goodies and I am just addicted to them. So this one, you guys, I don't even know. Like usually I'll maybe peek at like a couple of spoilers or just see maybe a picture of it. I have no idea what's inside this box. It just arrived. I'm very excited to open it. And I just checked and it is still available on their website. I'll put a link to it down below in case you're interested. And if you want to get just one box, you can cancel after the first box or you can keep going, and they have these quarterly. So this one says, a quiet walk outside, feel the ground beneath your feet and observe the plant life all around you. Imagine all they have felt, seen, and heard. If only they could tell you their stories. No matter the season, there is life to breathe in and messages along your path. It's up to you to realize and record these notes from nature. Okay, I guess it's a nature box. Let's see what's inside. I'm sure you probably know better than me at this point. Okay, we've got some acrylograph pens, which if you know me, you know I love. In these boxes, you get a little card that tells you what's inside the box. I kind of want to be surprised. Let's take this aside and pull out one thing at a time. They package these like little presents, so I really don't know what this is. Ooh, washi tape. It's wide washi. Let's try it out. This is very like vintage nature. I guess that's what the box is kind of gonna be like, vintage nature. Oh, look at that. I feel like these need to be longer. Well, let me just show you first. Okay, so that is what you get. We are just going to take a little bit of it for the page. These tapes are going to be great for junk journaling for sure. So this is what they look like. Very, very pretty. These ones are definitely going to be like a longer pattern, but I'm just showing you part of it. Very nice. Here's another pretty little box. Let's see what's inside here. Okay, we have a ruler here. Ooh, it's got a scallop edge on it. It's hard to see on my desk. Wait, let me get some white paper. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's so pretty. It's centimeters, and then you do have the scalloped edge, and you can use it for like a stencil. Let's try it. Actually, I don't want to waste it on this paper because this is my good marker paper, but let's try another piece of paper. Ooh, that is so cute. So the card says, a scalloped edge that aligns perfectly with our 5mm dot grid system. Yes, please. This ruler measures centimeters. So it will work very well in your Art Olive journals because it'll line up with the dots, you know what I mean? So that's pretty awesome. It's also really nice and thick acrylic, so it's not going to bend on you or anything, which is cool. Let's open one of the notebooks now. The gold foil on the front is so pretty. Look at that. Their packaging is always so beautiful. It makes it feel sort of luxurious, right? Look how beautiful this is. We have gold leaves on the cover. It is a vegan leather notebook. And this is a B6 size, so it's going to be a little bit smaller than your A5. It's so pretty. It's like got this mottled look, and then the spine is like a little book, and it has the white dockered paper. Very pretty ribbon. Yeah, so luxurious and beautiful. Fountain pen. I actually have never, well, I shouldn't say never. I haven't used a fountain pen since like the early 90s. I used to do calligraphy for money on the side. And I would do, like, back when they actually used calligraphers to write out certificates and things like that. So I would do that and like wedding invitations. And I used a fountain pen at that time, but I have not since picked up a fountain pen, so I'm so out of touch and out of practice with this. But this one is gorgeous. It has the 𝘬𝘗 logo on there. It's this dark green, like forest green, I guess, and the gold is so pretty. And it comes with some fountain pen ink. Let's see the colors. Ooh. Oh, so pretty. So we have this color. Oh, look at these labels. They're so cute. It's very fancy. Should I try it? I'm afraid to try it, you guys. It's been so long. So long. I'm not going to fill them now because I do want to read up on exactly how to do this and everything so that I do it right. And that's going to take a little bit of time, but we're going to put these back and I'm going to try it out on the side by myself when I have time to really focus on it and learn the pen. But I'm excited to try this again. We have some stickers, 2 sheets matte finish. I always like their stickers. Pretty sure there's going to be leaves on here, something nature-like. Oh, these are clear. It's different than I expected. So these are both the same. And they're, let me get some white paper here. This is what they look like. We have like these little clear flowers, so pretty. And they're matte, so they're not going to be shiny or anything. And then all of these black quotes. So we have nature's magic is all around, rooted in nature, wild spirit, in the quiet nature speaks, every leaf tells a story, reflect on progress, forest of ideas, explore, dream, discover, nature's colors, paint, joy daily, all that kind of stuff. And they look like little, like you did it with a label maker, don't they? I think that's super fun, the way that looks. So like I said, you get 2 sheets, so you never have to worry about running out of your favorite stickers. This is a nice change because it's not what I expected from their stickers. So just a nice variety. Let's check out another box here, another journal. This is going to be an A5 size. You can tell by the box. The Moment of Truth. Ooh, this one has a cover on it. So pretty. So they're calling this a Field Notes sketchbook. This vegan leather sketchbook is ready for your next adventure. Tuck in your favorite pen and be on your way. 112 pages of 160 GSM blank craft paper. This is really pretty. Let's take a look. This feels like I want to go outside in nature and like sketch flowers in my spare time. You know, that's the vibe this gives off. Look at that, it's so pretty. Like it just feels natural. Like I just want to run in a field of flowers and sit down and, you know, sketch something. So these are blank pages, craft paper. Here's your ribbon. I have a feeling if I did that, I would end up like hating it because of the bees and all that, but it's a nice little fantasy anyway. They still does have the pocket back there. It's really cute. It just feels natural and fun. Something like, I don't know. Something like I want to be not something I am. You know what I mean? But it's pretty. This is like Fantasy Mary Ellen. Let's check this one out. We have a brighter color here. This one is called A Naturalist Notebook. So let's see what this is all about. Ooh, so pretty. This is also vegan leather. It is 192 pages, dot grid, and it says it has a torn deckled edge. Let's see this edge. Oh, nice. It looks like handmade paper. So this is the front with the gold, and then this is the back. Oh my gosh. It's like engraved on there. So cute. Ooh, very pretty. So these pages are like an ivory. Did I say that already? But yeah, they're like an off-white. I love the torn edges. I think it just gives like a more natural feel to the journal. Just something a little bit different than what I'm used to. I don't know. I like it. It's a little bit old-fashioned. Very nice. And then here's the spine. That's really pretty. I love the feel of this too. It's so smooth. Okay, let's test out these acrylograph pens. I can add them to my collection. Oh, I just looked at the names. Shoot, I like to name them, but I did see a couple already, so we're not going to name them today. They're called Calla Lily, Antique Ivory, Shady Lane, English Clover, and Deep Ivy. And they come with stickers to put on, which I guess I will do now. I sometimes am lazy and I don't put the stickers on them. So bad. I don't know why I do that. I picked the worst nail polish color for this box. Look at my nail polish color. This is the most unnatural color that there is, I think. Oh well. Let's try shaking them all at once this time. So to start these, you have to do this. By the way, if you're new here, acrylograph pens are paint pens. They're like acrylic paint. And they're great for changing the colors of stickers. I mean, they're also great for just writing and drawing in your journal or in your planner. And since they're paint pens, you would think, like, I was afraid of them at first because I thought maybe they would, like, maybe they would go through the page, but they don't. Since it's paint, it sits on top of the page. It doesn't warp your page or anything like that. So I really do like these a lot. I use them a lot for writing in my planner. So this one is Calla Lily. Whoa, that one really, once in a while they do that. A little too much ink there for me. Whoops. Sometimes I push it too far. By the way, these are all 0.7 millimeter. I don't know if they make the 3 millimeter pens anymore, the thicker ones, but whoa, oh my gosh, this one did it too. I don't know why that is. That doesn't usually happen like that. There's a lot of ink in this one. That one came out real fast. But now it's writing fine. I don't know. Does that ever happen to you guys? I don't think it ever happened to me that much. But it's writing fine. I'd rather have it have more ink than less ink. It's just like, whoa, it came out so fast. Let me get a tissue. Okay, ignore the sides there, but we have these colors. I think those colors together are so pretty. And yes, they're very natural and like vintage colors. So if you're into neutrals, if you're into nature, I think you're really gonna love this box. All of their products are always super high quality and always just gorgeous. And yeah, if you use the code PWB10 at Archer and Olive, you can get 10% off anything else on the site except the subscription boxes, so that you can't use the code on those, but you can use the code on anything else. So anyway, let me know in the comments what you think of this box. Are you already subscribed to Archer and Olive boxes? I know it is a little pricey, but the overall value that you get is really, really good. Like if you added up all of these products, it would be so much more than what it costs, which I think is like $75. It would be so much more than that. So keep that in mind. And if you're somebody who's just starting out and want to get into bullet journaling or planning, you know, this might be a fun thing to try for a little bit, even if it's just $1. That's everything. Let me put it all here for you to enjoy. All the goodies. Again, the link will be in the description box. I appreciate you guys, and I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.